Welcome, and my name is Niteo Tools Titan, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, now I already have it enabled, so let me just click it off. But to get started, you want to open up Settings. From here, go to Sound and Notifications. Scroll down and you should see Do Not Disturb. Tap on it. And from here we can start off by going into the Priority Only Allows, which will allow us to customize how it functions. And we have things like notifications, reminders, events, so you can check if you want them showing up or not. Then we have messages, and there's just a bunch of options here, so from anyone, contacts, favorite contacts, or no one at all. So select whichever one works for you. Calls has the same option. Now for this I'm going to select none, because there's another option here called repeat callers. And if you check this on, basically if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, the second time around they'll be able to reach you, even though, as you can see, for me it's set to none. So in theory no one should be able to call me, but this will allow people that are called twice within that time period to basically reach me. And this is a good option in terms of emergencies, so people spam call to leave pickup, and this will allow them to actually reach you even when your Do Not Disturb mode is active. And that's basically it. We have all that we have from the priority settings. So we can go back, and then we have automatic rules, which will just allow us to set it automatically. You can tap on add rule, name it whatever you want. And from here you have things like the days, so you can tap on it and select the days in the week that you want it to be active in. So I'm gonna go from Monday through Friday. Then start time, let's go from 9 to 5. There we go. And then Do Not Disturb, priority only. So I'm gonna go with that. This is the one that we have set. Other ones we have alarm only and total silence. Those are preset, and we cannot change them, so only alarm will be ringing and total silence is just literally nothing. So select whichever one you want, and from here you can go back, and if the time is correct, for instance right now it's 12, so because the Do Not Disturb was supposed to enable at 9 till 5, it's already enabled, as you can see, based on that circle with a slash on it. So it's right now on because of the automatic one. So that is how you would set up automatically, and also you can still just simply tap on a toggle to turn it on and off whenever you want it. Now when you do, it pops up this menu, and from here you can enable it until you turn off or for a set amount of hours. So that is how you would set it up, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.